Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. This is Danielle, Marketing Director here at MaxLite. Hope everyone's doing well. Today's topic is centered around QuadroMAX. We have a lot of new updates that we'd like to share with you, including a new easy way to order, several new features and product offerings, and the fact that QuadroMAX is available through our new Quick Ship program. So at this point in time, I would like to turn it over to our QuadroMAX expert, Shonali Parikh, and Shonali's going to take you through all of the changes going on with QuadroMAX, all exciting stuff.
Hi everyone, this is Shonali Parikh. I work in the product management team here at MaxLite in the New Jersey office, and today I'm going to talk to you about some latest and greatest updates about our QuadroMAX series. So I'm going to go over a quick overview of the QuadroMAX applications and solutions, basically all the things you guys already know about, but talk to you also about some new features, some new options, and also how it relates to our Quick Ship program, our exciting new website redesign, and some marketing tools that are available to you now. So as you know, QuadroMAX was launched as MaxLite's flagship product, offering 5 modules ranging from a 150 watt to a 400 watt plus metal halide replacement. It was designed to be our universal, scalable outdoor luminaire. The reason being that one finished look with 5 different bodies and 8 different mounting options could address your 4 key categories of lighting: area, flood, wall pack, and canopy. Now, the biggest advantage of the QuadroMAX is being able to offer a spec-grade solution to complete out an entire job. And as I said before, the QuadroMAX is designed to address area, wall pack, flood, and canopy lighting applications. And we also now have some exciting new case studies up on our website showcasing these features. Now, the QuadroMAX comes in 5 different modules, and initially it was offered from the 55 watt to a 160 watt solution. We also now offer the 185 watt solution, so you can get all the way up to that 20,000 lumen range that was initially missing with our first launch. It addresses all of the wattage needs of a given project, and you can scale it up and down. Of course, the higher you scale it up, the bigger the economies of scale, and therefore the bigger your return on investment and your energy savings. Most importantly, this is one of MaxLite's biggest and most complete offering in terms of a higher-end architectural look. As I said before, the QuadroMAX comes with 8 different mounting options, split into the 4 key areas of lighting, with area lighting, flood lighting, wall pack, and canopy options. All of these options are sold separately and can also be found on our website. Along with the new exciting features of the QuadroMAX series, I'm also excited to introduce MaxLite's introduction of our very own poles, which will be a brand new category for us, designed to not only supplement our QuadroMAX lineup, but also our other high wattage area light lineups as well. We are excited to introduce round and square poles in steel, featured in bronze, black, and white finishes to essentially supplement any of your application projects. And they will come in heights of 12, 20, 25, and 30 feet. Our poles will be stocked locally and feature industry-leading shipment time so that when you place an order, we will have one of the quickest turnarounds. And they will, of course, come with the necessary accessories for installation, such as cover plates and anchor bolts. Our poles are fabricated from the highest grade material and conform to ASTM A500 standards and have a minimum yield strength of 55,000 pounds per square inch, which is in line with all the leading pole manufacturers out there. You're getting a very high-quality product at a competitive price from MaxLite. Not only are our poles extremely simple, offering a 4-inch round option in steel and a 4-inch and 5-inch square option in steel, but they're also easy to order and easy to install. Now, all of our pole designs and finishes have been designed to directly match the bronze, black, and white finishes of our QuadroMAX series, but also the bronze and other finishes of our 1000 watt area light series, our ARX, and any of our other existing flood and area light products will be compatible for mounting onto our poles. We will also be offering a variety of mounting accessories sold separately for you to be able to light multiple products onto one pole and to also be able to use any kind of adapters necessary to mount existing MaxLite products onto the current poles in your applications. As I said before, our poles will be coming to stock very soon, which will involve the proper marketing documents such as data sheets, a full list of our mounting accessories sold separately, and all the ordering information that you will need to know. Look out for more details for the official launch date, and of course you will see it in one of the biggest web banners on our webpage as well when we officially launch our pole series. Now, our poles can be used in the commercial area, of course, for area lighting, which would usually be about your 20 to 30 feet steel poles for parking lots and car dealerships. Keep in mind the white pole combination with our white 1000-watt area light, or even one of our higher wattage QuadroMAXs would be ideal for a car parking lot, whether the front row or the back lot areas. We also offer the 12-foot pole option for more pedestrian scale lighting, such as campuses, resorts, and parks. The poles will be an excellent introduction to our current outdoor product line and have been designed to help you finish all your project needs at MaxLite. Whether it be your small floodlight options all the way to your higher wattage area light needs, MaxLite is dedicated to providing you with all the solutions you would need to complete any challenge that you may face. Please don't hesitate to give your local customer service representative or your rep a call if you have any questions and need more information, but we're really excited to be able to introduce this lineup to you. In terms of key specs, the QuadroMAX series is DLC 3.1 Premium. It meets Title 24 compliance. And on top of that, assembled in the US is available along with MaxLite's 10-year warranty, which is currently only offered with the QuadroMAX series, some of our hazardous location line, and our shoe boxes. You have a great efficacy range ranging all the way up to 116 lumens per watt, and it comes with a standard 20 kilovolt surge suppression. It's available in high voltage as well, and it's designed a little bit to be future-proof. In terms of controls, not only do we offer the motion sensor for Title 24 compliance, we also offer 3, 5, and 7-pin NEMA photo control receptacles, so that no matter the control system that already exists in the projects that you're retrofitting or a new project design, the QuadroMAX series will work not only this year, but in the years to come. Because the QuadroMAX is designed to be your universal scalable luminaire, the idea is that the QuadroMAX applies to any and all kinds of outdoor applications. And as such, as the market demands change, the QuadroMAX series has been updated in little ways to address those changing needs. For example, as I talked about before, we now offer the higher wattage solution to get all the way up to 20,000 lumens. We are also looking to offer a Type 2 distribution very soon to be in stock. We also now offer the 3000K to give you a wide range of 3000, 4000, and 5000K warm to cool color temperatures, so that you can outfit any project across the nation, especially in those areas that are now requesting and requiring 3000K as standard. And on top of that, we heard all your comments, and we're excited to also introduce white and black finishes as well, along with our standard bronze. Now, the white and black finishes have been hand selected to make sure that they match not only with the new poles that MaxLite will be offering, but also with existing popular pole brands that use those specific RAL finishes for their white and black. So no matter what you're retrofitting, this fixture will look seamless in that retrofit situation. Finally, we also offer a quick ship program that was launched quite a few months ago, and the QuadroMAX series is a part of this program. Now, the Quick Ship program has been designed not only to prove to you that MaxLite is dedicated to stocking the key products that you need, but also to prove that we can deliver these products to you and your customers at rapid speed. Now, to get a more specific list of the QuadroMAX SKUs and the other SKUs that are on Quick Ship, you can go to maxlite.com/quickship. The biggest change that we're making to QuadroMAX is how you order. Before, you used to order a light engine and a bracket to create a full fixture and a bracket as one SKU. To make ordering, selling, and stocking much easier, QuadroMAX can now easily be ordered as a light engine separate from a bracket. As you can see here from the order code tables, you would order this QuadroMAX just like you did before. There's no change to the SKU at all other than adding in some hyphens to make it clear to read. And on top of that, you can now choose whether you want a mounting option or if you want a canopy mount. The canopy mount is the only mounting option of the 8 available that's sold with the fixture. All other 7 are sold separately, as you can tell from the second table. We're hoping that this makes it easier for you to order your product and also to stock it. And not only that, but you have much fewer SKUs to worry about when ordering your QuadroMAX fixtures. This also leads me into another initiative that MaxLite is taking on that we'll talk more about in a coming webinar, but a website redesign to make it easier for you to pick out the products. We want maxlite.com to be as clear, simple, and easy to use as possible. Now, the website redesign is expected to launch very soon at the end of October, and it'll look a little something like the sneak peek that I'm going to give you guys next. So before, you used to go to maxlite.com and go through an array of drop-down selections to get to the product series that you want. Now, you'd be able to go to products, and let's say you click outdoor. You'd be given a selection of all the different outdoor subcategories that we offer in our outdoor portfolio. Let's say you pick on area lights. You'll be given a sub-selection of our area and roadway light fixtures. You can then go on to, let's say, pick the QuadroMAX LED area light fixtures. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a page that goes through a brief description of the product, some product images, maybe some case studies and certification symbols. But the most important change will be where we list our products. Instead of having to scroll left and right and getting lost in trying to figure out what product you want, you can now scroll just up and down to make sure that everything is easy to read. More importantly, we will also now have easy filtering options. So you can filter the equivalencies you want, the wattage you're looking for, the lumen package, even the finish and the qualifications if you only want a DLC premium product. Now, you will still see the same features that you saw before, such as a product finder, rebates, features and benefits, accessories, videos, and lighting layouts. Those tools are still there. And along with showing you a very clean layout of all the products that are available, you'll also see below filters for options. Suppose you want a QuadroMAX with a motion sensor or a photo control, or maybe you want to make sure that this product that you're looking at comes with surge suppression. You can make all of these selections below, and based on your selections, you'll be given a list of relevant SKUs and item numbers. Once you're given that list, let's say you decide to click on one of them. And this is an example of a page that you would see. You would see key products and features. You would see a link asking you to find a distributor. And more importantly, on the right-hand side, you'd still see the same information that you see now, but it'd be displayed in a much more clean and holistic way. And on top of that, on the bottom of the page, you'll see accessories such as photo controls, photo cells, a motion sensor, a battery backup if it's available, and so on and so forth. So ordering those pieces and parts is also much easier. Now, as amazing as a product as the QuadroMAX is, we know that you still need the marketing materials to really sell this product. So we're excited to remind you that we do have an updated QuadroMAX brochure. It's a 4-page brochure that makes a great leave behind and also summarizes the key attributes and benefits of our QuadroMAX series. On top of that, we also have a QuadroMAX counter mat that shows you the good, better, and best solutions that we offer within our portfolio. Of course, the QuadroMAX comes in as the best solution in all cases, with a higher efficacy and also a much nicer architectural spec grade look. With all the excitement generated by our QuadroMAX series, we're also excited to present our first case study. A First Baptist church in Illinois was looking to update their outdated lighting facility with improved lighting, and they were of course looking for energy savings provided by LED conversion. Their facility was about 25,000 square feet, and while they did redo the interior as well, the biggest challenge was the relighting the exterior, where a lot of existing products had ceased to function, and relamping and upgrading those products had become expensive and labor-intensive to maintain. The biggest transformation was actually in their parking lot, where they replaced 6 of their 400-watt metal halide pole-top fixtures with our QuadroMAX series in a 160-watt 5000K configuration. They were very pleased with the lighting upgrades. A direct quote from them was that the biggest improvement was in the parking lot. Previous dark spots have been eliminated, and the safety of those coming and going from the church has improved. They were so pleased with their conversion that they also redid their interior as well with some of our downlight retrofit kits, along with some of our lamp ready products featuring our LED T8 and T5 lamps in a range of color temperatures to relight their reception area, their music area, and also their gymnasium. Now, keep in mind that MaxLite is always eager to get your feedback on how the application of our products actually turned out. And because of that, Amy Silver in our marketing communications department is always eager to work with reps and customers to exhibit and showcase these case studies. Not only are these case studies a great opportunity for MaxLite to show off their application of their products, but also a great idea for customers and distributors to also get their name out in the press as well. And to make it even more exciting, we do offer a $20 Amazon gift card for each successful case study that's published. So please reach out to Amy Silver or anyone in our marketing department if you know of any of your customers that would be willing to participate in a case study. And finally, QuadroMAX.com is the best way for you to find out all your QuadroMAX related news, including recent product videos, updated data sheets, photometrics for all options, and ordering information along with anything else. As always, we love being able to speak to you guys every month. If you have any suggestions or questions for future webinars, definitely let Blake Adams know. And until then, we look forward to hearing from you guys next month. Thanks for joining us today.
Okay, guys, before we wrap up, very quickly here, I'd like to just remind you of a few things that we always have available to you that may not be top of mind. One is MaxLite University. Please know that if you have new employees or anyone who's interested in getting a nice broad overview of the lighting industry and the different technologies out there, we do offer CEUs with our MaxLite University training program. We provide certificates of completion. Please know that that's available at no cost to you, your customers, and so forth at any time. So please feel free to take advantage of that. In addition to the fact that we always have utility rebate services available on our website, we have a number of different services available to you. And as always, if you need any additional help, you can always contact Joe Pater at jpater@maxlite.com. I think that's about everything for today. Thank you guys for attending. And at this point in time, we'd like to open up the floor to any questions or comments that you may have. Thanks so much.